Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, we're going to fix a common Git error. Fatal: not a Git repository. So, as you can see, when I run the git status command to check the status of my files, it throws an error. This usually happens when your project folder isn't initialized as a Git repository. Now, I've already made a few changes in my code. That's why you see the M symbol indicating modified files. I want to push these changes to Git, but first let's fix the error. To do that, just run the command git init. That's it. Now if I run git status again, boom, it's working. The repository has been initialized and Git is now tracking changes. From here you can go ahead and add your files, commit the changes, and push them to your remote server as usual. And that's how you fix this Git error in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.